Welcome back to Furious Gaming. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button number 2. Let's get started. Guys, I meant one! We're playing hide and seek in Don't Press the Button. Hopefully no one finds me. Let's see, where can I hide, y'all? Because I might win. Or I might get found, who knows, but I need to go in here. Dead end. And I got found. That's just great, guys. We just got found. Now we're out here, and I'm trying to find some coins. Let's see what I can find. And there's a coin. And a diamond. This game is super awesome, guys. It's better than the second one, which is the first game I played. I played the second one before the first one because it was pre-recorded, so yeah. Let's see what happens next on Furious Gaming. Oh gosh. I don't really. I'm bad at this. Someone got me already and I was trying to shoot. Haha, you died. I'm on the floor. Let's see if I can find some coins. Oh, there was just some, but they disappeared. Let me get this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, okay. I've got a red box of delivery for... Hold on, I messed up. Okay, why isn't it working? Oh, I'm so. Wonder what that is. Oh, it looks like a house or something. This is kind of cool, actually. But oh, wait a second, it might set on fire. I don't want to die. Run! What does that say? Oh my gosh. What's gonna happen next? Hello, button? Work? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that, y'all. And I missed the floor is lava, which is my favorite part of the game. The floor is lava because it's challenging, y'all. Finally, we're back on the ground, and I could be a news reporter. Okay, a tsunami's coming. Let's see how we're gonna get up and survive. Okay, well, I can't get up because, someone just helped me, but now I'm stuck. Yep, I got stuck, and that's not a good thing. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Furious Gaming. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.